In today's media battle, journalists need to be more and more fast and efficient. Digigram has reacted quickly by developing the UAX220 mic, an audio interface which combines professional audio quality of the highest standard with the simplicity of USB audio technology. The UAX220 mic, which is a very small device, is delivered in a convenient flat bag that fits in all laptop cases. Easy to use, it can be directly connected to a USB 1 or USB 2 port. It is automatically recognized as a standard audio peripheral device by the laptop's operating system, whether it's Windows XP, Mac OS X, or Linux. There's no need for complex driver installation, and power is supplied by the USB port. It has 2 balanced analog inputs and 2 balanced analog outputs. The inputs are equipped with microphone preamplifiers on which condenser or dynamic microphones can be plugged in. Thus, the UAX220 mic turns your laptop into a professional audio workstation, which is straightforward and easy to use, whether for external recordings or in the studio. This makes it the ideal tool both for journalists and sound engineers. Now let's take a look at why the UAX220 mic is such an invaluable tool for journalists. It has the benefit that all its connectors are on one cable. 2 XLR inputs and outputs, 1 connection for a 1/4-inch headphones jack with lock, and 1 USB cable. This means that you've got it all in one, all in hand. Potentiometers are readily accessible for setting the input gains and the output volume of the headphones. A 48-volt phantom supply may be activated for each of the 2 audio inputs in order to be able to use 2 condenser microphones. Zero-latency hardware monitoring is enabled by a simple push button. Monitoring may be set to mono, giving the option to the journalist to monitor his voice and the guest's voice either in the center of the mix or split to left and right. Monitoring is mixed with files playback by UAX220 mic, allowing for re-recording operations. The 1+2 feature allows recording both inputs mixed into a single mono file. This innovative recording mode will help you gain a considerable amount of time. Thus, it will no longer be necessary to export a multi-track mix once you've done the recording. And when you use your laptop with an ISDN or IP codec, the 1+2 recording mode offers you the opportunity to send both inputs to a single uplink mono contribution channel. Thanks to USB audio compliance, the UAX220 mic may be used with a large variety of audio software, either based on Direct Sound, Wave, ALSA, Core Audio, or Digigram software development kits. Thus, it's a professional tool which guarantees an audio quality similar to those of Digigram sound cards widely available in radio broadcasting studios. It delivers a sound which may be used at post-production stage or even go directly on air. And now we'll take a look at how it can be a great tool for live sound engineers. Before the show, the live sound engineer needs to calibrate the sound reinforcement systems in order to obtain the best acoustic response. Nowadays, software companies have developed impressive measurement software for this, such as SIA Smart Live, which is used here. The application may play stimulus signals and records the system response from a measurement microphone. Real-time FFT and other analyses of the response enable the live sound engineer to make the most accurate speaker positioning, filter, and delay settings. However, the result will only be as good as the audio interface used, such as UAX220 mic, which has high-quality inputs and outputs, and a 48-volt phantom power supply for plugging in measurement microphones. Thus, the sound engineer now only needs to concentrate on his calibrating. And now to the show. It would be great to keep a track of it. Thanks to the XLR inputs and the maximum line input level of +22 dBu, the UAX220 mic may be directly plugged into the outputs of the front-of-house mixer. The standard of their design will promise you the highest standard of recording of the show on your laptop. The UAX220 mic enables you to do far more than simply record a show. It gives you a wide range of options, such as playing live sound effects for the shows. Thanks to professional show control software such as the impressive Medialon Manager application, you can play music introductions, thunderstorm effects, applause. Hence, this application partners with the participants of the show to take it to a higher emotional level. This makes the UAX220 mic a tool, a truly invaluable companion for all traveling sound engineers.